Good morning, weirdos. What's going on, guys? So, little bit of Totoso, huh? A Totoso. We're gonna have a look at ZBIC today. We're gonna see what's going on, and yeah, we're gonna see what's going on around the market. So let's get a little looky-loo at what's happening here. JASB up 3.3 on the day, down 11.5 on the week, 2.5 on the month, and 57 on the year. We're up one spot in rank to 93. $750 million market cap and 27 million in volume. Swift Coin up 1.5 on the day, down 8.8 on the week, 4.8 on the month, but up 165 on the year. We are down 7 spots in rank to 292, $130 million market cap and 3 million in volume. So the volume's doubled overnight. So that's good. Onyx Coin up 4% on the day, down 16.8 on the week, 7.3 on the month, but up 683 on the year. Up 2 spots in rank to 119, $527 million market cap, and 32 million in volume. And ZBEC down 20% on the day, up 5.5 on the week, 164 on the month, and 147 on the year. Down 31 spots in rank to 156, $389 million market cap and 114 million in volume. All right, let's go look at the Bitcoin chart first. What do we have over there? All right, so things looking good, looking strong for Bitcoin right now, 106.5. I would like to see us work our way a little bit higher here. I'd like to get above about $107,322. I'd like to close above that level. If we can make a push today, that would be great. RSI is still looking nice in the neutral on all major time frames, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. It's looking good. Look at these long-tailed wicks on the bottom here, guys. A lot of buying pressure. Anytime we even get close to the 30-day SMA, we move right to the upside. So that's very, very positive. Very, very positive. I'm surprised. I thought we were going to fail to keep it last night and we were going to fall down below 101 and 103. But time is ticking as we move closer and closer to the 10th of the month, which is where I told you guys that I thought things were really going to take a turn to the upside. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. But so far, we're holding pretty nicely here. And it makes sense because it's already the 3rd, guys. It's already the 3rd. That's crazy. Like, what happened all of a sudden? Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3 days into June already. Just like that. Unreal. I think it feels like yesterday it was the 30th or the 29th of May. So anyway, Bitcoin's looking strong right now. Hopefully the momentum can continue to the upside. We'll stay on top of it. Let's go have a look at the ZBEC chart. See what's going on over there. Huh. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? So here's the thing, guys. Now, I'm not going to be an obnoxious dick about it because I was right. And I got attacked in the comment section by uneducated investors, right? What I'm going to say is this, guys. I don't want everyone who is attacking me and, angry that I said that we were going to correct on ZBEC. I don't want you to lose money. I don't want you to be, uneducated as to what's going on in the space, right? So I want to extend the olive branch to you guys who are, emotional, and clearly you are. I mean, let's be honest. This isn't an attack, but let's be real. You are an emotional investor if you are one of the people who got angry at me for saying ZBEC was going to do exactly what it did, right? So I want to invite you in from the cold because listen, there's no winning there is people got to lose and people got to win in this space, but I want everyone to win. Anyone in this community, I want you to win. Okay. So I want to invite you into this community because if you were one of those people, you missed an opportunity of a lifetime here, right? You missed it because you were emotional and angry. Instead of being able to take the warning that I was giving you, analyze it, and make a strategic move, you could have taken profits and you could have, but look how low down we went, all the way down to 2041. And you could have pounced on that opportunity to increase the size of your ZBEC bag. Pretty much a lot of people over on the Patreon, that's exactly what they did, right? We took profits up here and we rolled them down here. A lot of people bought back in this morning. Anytime it got below 205, people were buying. We're still below 205 right now. It's still a good buying opportunity. But because you were emotional and because you were too busy being toxic and attacking me in the comment section, instead of being clear-minded and strategic and logical, right? You missed an opportunity. I don't want you to miss more opportunities. I want you to come into our community and I want to help you make money, right? I don't want to argue with you. I'm not mad at you. I'm not going to sit here and, name names of the people that, that were attacking me and stuff like that. It's not what this is about, right? Let's fix what's wrong with your investment strategies. Okay? Because listen, it's not a debate. Something is wrong with your investment strategies. You lost on this opportunity, right? And I want to help you win in these opportunities. So God bless you, my friends, to every single one of you who attacked me in the comment section, saying that I didn't know what I was talking about and that the momentum of ZBEC was too strong and that tokenomics are different, so it wasn't going to drop, and XCN and ZBEC are two different companies. That's why ZBEC's not going to drop. All those excuses and comments, all of you who made those comments and stuff, join our community. I want to help you, right? You are too emotional as an investor right now, and I want to help you learn how to control that so that you can win in this space, right? So join us. God bless you. Let's help you turn things around. Let's help you seize these opportunities, guys, because, that's what this is all about. Making money, not being emotional and stuff like that, and arguing and bickering, right? So come aboard, guys. Join the family. We would love to have you. We would love to have you. Okay? Let's get winning together. That's all, right? So as we can see, we did fall below 2041. We wicked a lot of buying pressure right here. A lot of buying pressure. So we wicked all the way back up to 2048. I don't think we're done yet. We may consolidate here a little bit in this range, but I think we have a little bit further down to go. We could come down inside this box here, right? Which is 203. Probably, we're going to bring the box up a little bit. We're going to bring it to 2033. There we go. 2033 to 2035, right? Which is 2035, right about there. Okay, we could come down into this box on a worst case scenario for me, right? So, but anytime it comes inside this box or lower is a buying opportunity, in my personal opinion. So, yeah. So in closing, ZBEC is a fantastic DCA opportunity right now. Not financial advice. You do you, right? So yeah, I put in my buy alerts over on the Patreon already this morning because I did do some DCAing into some projects today, and I think it was a good opportunity. So if you want to know what I'm buying and what I'm selling when I'm doing it, then definitely get over to the Patreon, guys, because we don't want you to miss the boat on any of this stuff. All right, let's get into some of the news, shall we? Okay, so guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor first, Decent Biometric Wallet. Get yours today by using our link down below. Get a fantastic deal. They have like a 2-for deal going on the biometric wallets. The card wallets are extremely affordable. A small price to pay to keep your crypto safe. Imagine, I don't even know, let's say it's 60 grand in crypto. Isn't it worth spending a couple of bucks to protect that 60 grand rather than risk having it hacked and stolen and drained from your wallet? It doesn't make sense, guys. Use our link. You even get a fantastic deal. So protect yourselves, not your keys, not your coins. All right, let's get into some of the news. Check it out, guys. Breaking pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate Li Jianming just won the South Korean election. He promised to legalize ETFs and invest state pensions in Bitcoin. This is huge. Absolutely massive bullish news, guys. Very, very nice for the crypto space. You'll love to see it. New integration of the Zeus meme coin into ZBEX payment cards. So you can now pay with your Zeus if you are a Zeus holder. You love to see the continued integrations into the ZBEX payment cards, guys. The silver card, I believe. And check it out, another collaboration with ZBEX. Gate Knox says powering for the future of Web3 through strategic partnerships. Proud to collaborate with ZBEX, Polygon, and Near Protocol to drive innovation in identity and compliance infrastructure. Another partnership for ZBEX, guys. Gate Knox. Don't know much about him, but super fantastic. Super fantastic, right? And all right, one last thing here to get through. Check it out from Amber. Says another thing no one is talking about yet, ZBEX supply chain. The lesser-known ZBEX network innovation, ZBEX IoT-enabled supply chain tokenization. One ZBEX network project that's barely discussed is its IoT-embedded supply chain tokenization pilot, which integrates the IoT devices with its Nautilus chain to tokenize supply chain assets in real time. This is part of ZBEX's broader DePIN strategy, but focuses on a niche use case. Tokenizing physical goods like inventory or shipping containers as they move through supply chains. Using IoT sensors, ZBEX tracks goods, location, condition, and delivery status, creating dynamic NFTs or tokens that represent that represent these assets on chain. For example, a shipment of perishable goods can be tokenized with its token value adjusted based on real-time data, temperature compliance, or delivery delays. This allows businesses to trade or finance these assets mid-transit, unlocking liquidity for traditionally liquid supply chain assets. The pilot is in early stages with testing in cross-border trade between the US and Mexico, but it's a game changer for industries like logistics and whatever. I'm tongue-tied this morning. Where real-time asset tracking and financing are critical. Agriculture. I spit it out. I get tongue-tied sometimes and I can't pronounce words. Financing are critical. So there you go, guys. Another use case for ZBEX, another niche that they are expanding into. Did I say Natix? ZBEX. Sorry if I said Natix. I thought I said Natix. Anyway, very, very bullish for ZBEX, guys. Absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, listen up. So, as you guys know, last year we called Onyx Coin XCN. We made a 500% return on that. About 8 months ago, we called ZBEX over on the Patreon. We made a 440% return on that. We called Natix months ago. We made a 220% return on that, right? We're calling these gems, guys, and we're just nailing it over on the Patreon. Now we're seeing ZBEX and Natix are both correcting 18.5% on the day right now. They're pulling back down. Well, guess what? We are already accumulating en masse 5 new gems over on the Patreon. We kicked it up another notch, guys. We brought it to another level. 5 microcap gems to choose from. Get in where you fit in. These things are going to run just like ZBEX, just like Onyx Coin, just like Natix. If you want to get those 2, 3, 4, 5, 600% returns, you got to get in early on these plays before they snap to the upside. So get over there, guys. Find out what these gems are. There's separate videos for all of them over on the Patreon. Check it out for yourselves. The link is down below. We're also live over there every single day. We drop educational content. And if you need mentorship in this space from someone who's been through multiple bull runs, join our mentorship coaching calls over there. We have them every single day where you can get in. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. You can learn everything you need to know and get the mentorship and guidance that you need from portfolio structure to exit strategies to profit-taking plans to rolling profits from one project to the other, identifying studs from duds, understanding technical analysis, understanding mental and emotional aspects of this space, how to understand which direction sentiment is going to drive the market, tokenomics, hot wallets, cold wallets, how to on-ramp, how to off-ramp, how to be proactive with your banks, and so much more, guys. Check it out for yourselves. The link is down below. Join the community, get in early on these projects, and get the mentorship and guidance that you need. Click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.